Hello and welcome back everyone to our channel Gaming Basics, and in today's video I'm going to teach you guys how you guys can do the firefighter side mission in your GTA San Andreas game. So to do the firefighter side mission in GTA San Andreas game, first you have to come to this location right here, right below this highways. It's called Commerce. You have to come to exactly this location and you can find this firefighter vehicle right here and you need to enter it. After you have done that, right there it will tell you to toggle a submission. Now you can click on R to toggle a submission and it will tell you that you need to extinguish a fire of a burning vehicle. Now you can go over to the location and then extinguish the fire. Now after you have done that, then your level will increase and you will be completing level. So let me just show you guys. I come here and I press on my right stick and I'm extinguishing the fire. For some reason it's not extinguishing, but if you guys complete this mission, so just like this it happened. So it says the fire extinguished and it gives you a new location where a vehicle is burning. So if you complete all of this, and as you can see in the top right hand side of my screen, my level is currently 2. So as you keep on completing an extinguishing fire, then you can reach level 12, and after you have reached level 12, your side mission will be 100% completed, and after that CJ will now be 100% like your CJ won't die from fire, so he will be fireproof. So that's how you guys can do the firefighter side mission in your GTA San Andreas game. So thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share, comment and subscribe, and don't forget to hit the bell icon so you don't miss out on our next video. Also, if there is any video that you guys want us to do, so please comment it down below and we will do so for you guys. So thank you for watching and see you guys next time.